You say to the people too that are just like a little bit fearful, let's just say that in their mind they just don't understand technology that well, and they feel that like if they do automate one part that it's going to get out of control and then just domino effect this like negative like kind of spiral thing, I guess. I think people might have that in the back of their mind, but I think about like starting slow and like doing like a sample set. Is there any like advice that you have for people that are just like more worried, I guess?
Yeah. And I will sort of, yeah, start slow. And most of our customers, they start with one automation, one process, maybe just rate quoting for two customers, and then they slowly add on. Now, what we do see is they start with one automation, and then a few months later, they do another, and then they do another, to where we have customers that now have 10 automations going in their system, because they're really seeing how much efficiency they're gaining, how much power they can really harness from that. But that is kind of they're afraid sometimes it is going to run away on them. And so what we always try to explain and show is that automation actually controls so it doesn't run away.
Mm-hmm.
When you automate a process, you actually have a set process that's going to be followed correctly the way you want it 100% of the time. Where now you look across the brokerage floor, let's say you got 60 brokers out there, I guarantee you that no one's doing it the exact same way. Mm-hmm. That's where things run away on you. That's where you set up carriers that you shouldn't, or you're underquoting or overquoting customers because everyone's doing it their own way. Emotions are tied into it. They're busy. They cut corners. So that's when it can really run away.